Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am going back to Uvira. I'm leaving Baraka and these are my 2 suitcases. They are all covered up to survive the dust on the road, and look how I am dressed. I don't even understand myself. I have kitenge, I have pants under, I don't know, so many clothes on, and this seems like it's not enough. I have like 2 scarves, 2 plastic bag. My ears are covered up. I feel like maybe I should have worn like a long sleeve to cover my wrist. This is my suitcase. They are all well secured. My phone is inside. I only have the phone that I'll be using to record. And right now we just I think my driver is getting something. Yeah, it's 6 a.m. and maybe 6:30 or something, and we are starting our journey. I was told to start this journey early on in the morning because in the morning there's not so much dust, and there are not a lot of people passing by that will throw dust on you. That's why they advise people to travel in the morning. But I couldn't wake up for something in order for me to leave at 5. So yeah. So we are going to Uvira, and this trip will take us about 4 hours. This is the longest I have been on a motorcycle. I'm afraid of motorcycles. I have seen somebody fall off a motorcycle, and that was terrifying. So I'm not a big fan of motorcycle, but here I am riding them because I have no choice. So on this journey, I'll try my best to record. I'll try to record along. I have a phone in my hand, and one other hand I'm holding the person that is driving me. I am not experienced enough, or I'm not brave enough not to hold him. And people are laughing at me here. They look at me, they're like, "Oh, that woman, is she crazy or something?" Like, we don't hold people here when you're on a motorcycle. But for me, I don't care. You guys can laugh. I'm not gonna jeopardize my life because somebody can mock me. You guys can mock me all you want. I'm holding you really tight. If we fall, we're gonna fall together. I am not falling by myself. And I even told him, bro, I'm sorry. I'm gonna hold you. I am scared. And he said, oh, it's okay, you can hold me. So I'm gonna record until when my phone dies. And I don't know the names of these villages. If you are from Baraka, or if you're familiar with this area, then maybe you will see your village. I don't know the place. I never been here, and yeah, so there's no way I will know, oh, this is this place, because the person that is taking me, he is busy with other things, and I don't want to distract him. My prayer is to get to Uvira safe. That is my priority. So I'll just show you guys the places. That's it. Mapema sana. Wale watu wenye wanajua hii fasi au wenye wanatoka hii fasi, hii milie ya kutoka Baraka mpaka kwenda Uvira, mtaweza mtaweza kuona image tu na kujua sema hapa ni fasi fulani. sana kuona gisi batu banajaa kwanza gisi tulitoka Baraka mpaka gisi tulifikaka Uvira, batu banajaa munjia. Nilikuwa fikiria aseme tutapita munjia yenye akukuwa kinaishi batu mubivaki, ndio gisi nilikuwa nafikiria, lakini batu banajaa, ambiance iko, batu bako bize mwa village zabo, banaendelea na maisha kama kawaida. Hizi masiku sijui kama ni president Tshisekedi ndio alifanya changement, wanasema aseme kuko security, watu abako nazuliwa mmanjia sasa kisipo kuka nafanya zamani. So tunashukuru Mungu kwa hiyo. Jamani, mtanisamee kama mko naona image nzuri, niko na record simu na simu yenyewe iko ku selfie stick. Imwa mkono iko na shika simu na ingine mkono ina nani, inamkamata dereva juu niko naogopa sipendi kuanguka. Hii njia iko na reputation mbaya sana ya watu kufanya maaksida na kuanguka kwa moto. So siwezi weza kushika kamera na mikono mbili. So anytime niko napima kutia kamera mkatikati, niko na nitembeza, niko naonekana, na ndio maana mko naona niko natia kamera pembeni. Na ni kamera ya simu, sio kamera sema kamera kwa simu. Sema kwa hiyo kabisa. Ndio ya Fizi, ya Balongo, ya Kongo, ya Balongo. Mke kuinvestire kwenu. Mkuye kuinvestire kwenu. Kama kuinvestire kwenu. Inaanza sasa hivi. Usiweza sio kwa kufanya changement. Jenga nyumba yako, contribute ku development. Siye batoto ya Kongo, siye ba Africain ndio tutaleta changement mu Afrika. Musikali yake tu Kongo ila sema gouvernement ifanye. No. Weye unapashwa kujiuliza kitu gani kinye utasaidia gouvernement yako jua kuleta maendeleo. Nona. Batu bote abatafanya bitu moya. Uteza kujenga izine, mwingine anajenga shope, mwingine nyumba, nini na nini. Nona, nanjo development hiyo. Development sio aseme mpaka sisi bote tufanye kitu kimoya. Au atutangwela development mpaka mpaka serikali ituletee mabarabara, itie mabarabara. Serikali hiyo peki ikiona aseme hapa kuko development, wanaweza kuleta barabara, wanaleta na vingine vitu nyingi watu wanahitaji. Na mtu kujenga fasi au kujenga kwao, si kusema seme njoo utarudia. Unaweza kujenga na unaikala kwenye unaikalaka tu, ni contribution yako. Nikitega uchumi kinyo unatia pale, yenye tuweza kusaidia kupata pesa. Manake pesa mwenyewe unaganye kambo zote, unaganye, unaleta maendeleo, na unaganye, unapatia mo faida, unapata hiyo pesa ulifanya. Tujenge kwetu. Kwabo benzetu wanapata kufanya wakienda mji za kigeni, kazi yao na kwaka kutoa pesa kule kupeleka kwabo. Jamii na sisi hatuwezi kufanya hivyo. Là, je sais pas ça. Oh my God. Guys, I just got off the motorcycle. Look how Dacia look. Ooh. He told me to come on this bridge. Oh my God. I have to climb up there. I'm so scared. Look at the people in the river. Hapa ndio wapi? Ni kilalo cha wapi? Hapa ni kasi ni mtoni gani? Kabumbe. This is Kabumbe River, guys.
Kabumbe hapa.
Hey. Hey. Nakufa mimi wako. Oh my God. Guys, I'm climbing. Okay, kushuka na nitaweza kushuka. Waweza? Ndakamata tena, sorry. Tashika.
Ala ya sawa. Foto nayo. Acha foto.
Yo, don't laugh. This is not funny. I am scared to get down. Look at me holding on like a little kid. And small kids are walking here like nobody's business. Maybe because they are used to it. Look at that kid behind me. He's just walking fast and he's not holding on anything. Yeah, I am so scared of heights. I don't want to fall. This thing is not that strong. So whenever people get here on this bridge, the passengers get off, and this is something that they do a lot in Congo because they don't want the car to be heavy. So the passenger get off and then they use the bridge so the car can pass easily. And this is during maybe summer. It's not rainy season. Yeah, so I am very sure during rainy season the water, this river rises up, and that would be really dangerous passing through. I really wish the government in this country can build roads and bridges, because this is very dangerous and a lot of people die every year on these roads. People in this country are paying their taxes, but the government is just disappointing. My 5 minutes break is over, so we have to continue with our journey. This country is blessed. Africa is blessed. I know I'm not seeing infrastructures. There's no well-maintained or well-built roads and development, but just seeing the nature brings peace to my heart. Seeing those palm trees, seeing the trees on the road, it's just beautiful. Everything here is just so natural. This is beautiful, guys. I'm so happy and thankful that I was able to experience a road trip from Baraka to Uvira. This is my first time here. This is even like I I never been on a motorcycle for this long. I had to do it because I had no choice, and I was very hesitant because I have heard so many horror stories that happened on motorcycles. There are so many things that happen, like accidents and everything, but I am just so happy that I was able to experience, to see the nature, to see how things are looking from Baraka to Uvira. And I'm even more thankful that I was able to experience the sea route, and now the land route is very difficult. And I have enjoyed both of them, but the sea is more comfortable. Yeah. The two main transportation from Uvira to Baraka or Baraka to Uvira is the sea, where you're gonna use the boat, or the land, where you're gonna use a motorcycle for the majority of time. A lot of there's no like public transportation like bus, where they can take a lot of people because the roads are really bad, and businessmen are now willing to destroy their cars, because if you use your car on the road that is like this, then your car will not last long, and you're not doing business. Your main reason is to make money. You don't want to just buy your vehicle and then get destroyed after a few months of you buying it. What's the point? That is why there's no like bus transportation from Baraka to Uvira or from Uvira to Baraka. So for the people living abroad who wish to visit Congo, visit Baraka, Uvira one day, and let's say if you were like in Uvira and you want to go to Baraka, I suggest you experience both ways. Here, the main transportation is the sea or the land, like the motorcycle here, and that is the Lake Tanganyika. That is the sea. So when you're passing through the sea, you will see people passing on motorcycles in places like this. Yeah, so it's good to experience both, and I am so glad that I was able to experience both.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry 이상 너와 the two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 yeah. 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고 있는 날 봐 Someone like you 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica We don't need to see each other To know that we're on the same wavelength Oh yeah Why can't we just meet tomorrow 아직도 난 아직도 날 찾고 있어 매일이 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 Oh, my heart is beating for you waiting, waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어 I don't know what more to expect 물론 아니야 너는 난 알아 너라는 말은 하고 싶지 않아 정말 보러 갈게 바다 건너 난 널 모든 알게 말해줘 달고 싶지 않아 또 나는 홀로 우선 해보는 거야 나랑 YOLO 난 너와 나란히 가서 주말에 평범한 연인처럼 밥을 먹고 싶어 내 말 틀린 건 하나도 없어 안 될 거란 생각 이제 던져 너가 없으면 날 오케이 난 잘 먹고 잘 살길 오케이 맘을 다 부어주긴 좀 그래 잠을 만큼 참았어 억울해 Baby I can feel it with you Maybe you feel the same with me too 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 Oh, my heart is beating for you waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어 I don't know what more to expect 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어 Oh, my heart is beating for you waiting 널 헤매이고만 있어
My phone died before we got to Makobola, and I'm sad because I just wanted to see the monument that was built in remembrance of the genocide that happened in 1996. There was a genocide in 1996 where people were burned in their house and many. Yeah, I just wanted to pay homage to the victim. Maybe next time when I come to Baraka, I'll start my trip from Uvira to Baraka so I can be able to record at least half of it. Anyways, guys, this is the place where the motorcycle dropped to. This is like their center. This is the place where you can get a motorcycle when you're trying to go to Baraka. And this is near Zaira Market. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I wish you guys an amazing day filled with love, gratitude, and happiness. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.